Hi, my name is Ali. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make REST API in Laravel framework. Before you get started, make sure that you set up your local machine and assume that you have PHP, MySQL, XAMPP, Postman, and Composer. When your local machine is ready, you can use Composer to install the framework. Now, let's get started. Open new terminal and run the Composer command. Composer, create, project, Laravel, blog. It will take some time, but I am going to speed up the video. Now, change the directory to blog. cd blog, then type php artisan serve. Click this link to open the project. So, now we have Laravel running on the local machine. After that, open new tab and type localhost phpMyAdmin. And here we are going to create a database without tables because the tables will be generated by migration. New, blog, create. Now open Visual Studio Code, open folder and blog, OK, and open .env. In this file, we are going to set up the database connection. Write database name, blog, and write database password, or leave it empty if you didn't create a password.